ये ऐसी है, ये लड़की, चश्मे हैं, बाल ऐसे हैं, ब्रेसेस लगाएगी. The show was that even a girl who's not beautiful can be successful. The show was that, you know, or even a girl who's not beautiful, you can still love her. It was that. तो मेरा कॉन्ट्रैक्ट था कि जब तक मेकओवर नहीं होता है आप ऐसे पब्लिक में नहीं जा सकते हो जहाँ पे मीडिया है, वैसे जा सकते हो. तो मतलब इफ आई वाज गोइंग आउट विद माय फ्रेंड्स और फैमिली आई कुड गो लाइक दिस, क्योंकि तब लोग पहचानते नहीं थे. लेकिन जब मैं बात करती थी तो वो मेरी आवाज सुनते थे, यू नो, अरे तो जिसकी आवाज, ऐसा होता था मेरे साथ. बट या यू नो, इन एक्टिंग ये बात मैंने अब रियलाइज की है, बिकॉज ओवर द इयर्स यू कीप थिंकिंग, पहले तो आप बहुत रॉ होते हो तो आप रॉ एक्टिंग करते हो, बट देन व्हेन यू आर लिटिल अवेयर यू वांट टू वॉच अमिताभ बच्चन, व्हाट इज ही डूइंग, तो वो अपने वॉइस के साथ बहुत मॉड्यूलेशन करते हैं. सो अ पर्सन, ओह बाय द वे, very interesting experience. Sorry, I'm just jumping from one into another. I was just in my building and there was this lady who was blind. उनके साथ उनकी एक बेटी थी and that daughter of hers brought that lady to me and मुझे उनकी बेटी ने बताया कि इनकी मदर blind है, लेकिन ये रोज मेरा शो सुनती हैं. और उनकी मदर ने मुझे बोला कि मोना, मैं आपका रोज शो ना सुनती हूँ और मुझे आपकी एक्टिंग बहुत अच्छी लगती है. And that was the day I realized that acting is not about expressions, it's about the voice you use. It is your voice. अगर मैं सब कुछ एक फ्लैट नोट पे बोलूंगी तो बहुत फ्लैट लगेगा, लेकिन अगर मैं ऊपर नीचे करके बोलूंगी तो बहुत मजा आएगा. So I started watching अमिताभ बच्चन now, not earlier. मुझे लगा देखूं मैं तो, and his voice was going up, down, whisper, loud, come. मुझे बहुत मजा आया. And these are the things you guys are learning. मुझे तो ये किसी ने भी नहीं बताया था. So basically, I'm an autodidact. You know, what do you call? I wanted to learn everything just on my own. But you guys are so lucky that you're getting everything like this on a plate, in a spoon. So yeah, it's very important to be like that, to be aware, to notice other people. Like right now, I'm noticing you. अगर मेरे साथ कोई एक बंदा होता तो वो आपको नोटिस करता कि अच्छा ये ऐसे लग रहा है, ये दिल्ली वाला स्टाइल है, तो मुझे कोई रोल मिलेगा मैं ललित को कॉपी करूंगा, है ना? It is like that. You should observe people around you. So yeah.
Ma'am, would you mind sharing some of your experience of 3 Idiots with Aamir Khan? How you got the role?
All is well.
All is well.
All is well.
With Kareena.
With Kareena, you know, the first question that people were asking me, was Kareena talking to you? Was she snobbish? Is she egoistic? No, she's not. I had a brilliant time working with the entire team of 3 Idiots. और उस दिन मेरे डैड ने मुझसे एक बात बोली थी, जो शाहरुख भी बोलते हैं, कि no role is big or small, it's the actor. So if you think you're a small actor, you'll only get small roles. In 3 Idiots, my work was very limited. I told myself, no role is big or small, you know, you're there a part of such a big film, just go and do it. And I went with my gut, and it was an amazing experience. That movie has gone in the history of Indian cinema, and I'm so happy and proud that I am part of it. And working with Aamir Khan, मुझे लग रहा था कि by God ये तो बड़ा strict होगा, क्या करेगा, क्या बोलेगा, मुझे भी direction सिखाएगा या acting सिखाएगा. But there was nothing of that sort. They all were so cool. They all were so. In fact, Aamir came up to me and told me that, hey Mona, you're very talented. I saw you in Jassi. तो मुझे लगा हे भगवान, अब मैं इसको क्या बोलूँ? I didn't say anything. I just said thank you. And I think it's very important to accept a compliment. Usually हम तो compliments लेते ही नहीं हैं. कोई आपको बोलेगा you very pretty, तो आप लोग no, it's okay. Take it ना, say thank you. तो मैंने thank you बोल दिया. But after that, when we started shooting for the film, it was absolute delight. एक तो मुझे टेनिस टेबल पे लिटाया हुआ था, आसपास सारे बंदे, और सारे बंदे मैरिड, और सारे मुझे अपने अपने एक्सपीरियंसेस बता रहे. मेरी वाइफ ने मुझे थप्पड़ मारा था, मेरी वाइफ ने मेरा हाथ काट दिया था. तो I was like, okay, I'm not married and I don't know how it is, so just help me out. तो हम कर रहे थे scene. 8 days we were doing that delivery scene, but it was so beautiful. राजू नानी ने मुझे बोला कि मोना, जब भी तुम्हारी डिलीवरी होगी लाइफ में हमें बुलाना. So yeah, you know, in industry I think everybody is very sweet, everybody is very loving, and everybody accepts you. You only have to be talented. If you're not talented now, I'm telling you, you will not get anywhere. You might get it on the basis of luck, but luck works only once. Then it's only talent. हार्ड वर्क तो जिंदगी आपसे करवा ही देती है. मुझे लगता है हार्ड वर्क तो मजदूर भी करते हैं रोड पे, जो पत्थर तोड़ते हैं. सो हार्ड वर्क इज ओके. but it's very important to be talented. It's very important for you to recognize your talent and to go ahead with that. That's what I feel.
Ma'am, when are you getting married?
Soon. You shall be called. What a question related to acting. Anything else?
What is the kind of role you are waiting for to actually expect like future, or you wish producer would give you that role?
What's your name? Apeksha. Apeksha, most of the times when we go for press conferences and stuff, where there are a lot of journalists, they ask us this question: what is your dream role? I would say that as an actor, we are blessed to play a beggar, a queen, a princess, a middle-aged woman, and a lady who's in love, a lady who's a widow, everything. So for me, everything is a delight. I started with looking ugly, Jussie, which nobody wanted to do. And now my second show, I'm doing a show wherein I have 3 kids, which again nobody wants to do. But it's all about experimenting. So there's no such dream role that I have. But yes, I only pray that I get very good roles and I create an example for people. I create that paradigm where people say, ki, wow, she's done a good job. Like you look at Vidya, she played Amitabh's mother in Pa. What a role, yeah. I mean, why would anybody think ki nahi, mujhe is umar mein maa nahi banna? Are you getting such a beautiful role to do? Just do it. Because tomorrow it will go in the history of all cinemas, Indian cinemas. People will talk about your role. So I think we are very lucky to play any kind of role. I think we should never say no to work. We should never say ki, अरे ये role तो बहुत ही बेकार है, ये मैं नहीं कर सकता. I would like to play me. What is play me? You're an actor. Play an actor. You're anyways playing yourself in real life, in front of your parents, in front of your friends, everybody. So yeah, my dream role is all roles across. नहीं.
यहाँ पर कुछ स्टूडेंट्स ऐसे भी हैं जो कि डायरेक्शन का कोशिश कर रहे हैं.
अच्छा.
मुझे सामने डिमांड है.
Oh, lovely. I would love to be.
आप थोड़ा सा अपना ये एक्सपीरियंस शेयर कीजिएगा जब ये असिस्ट करते हुए इस लेवल पर पहुंच जाते हैं, दे प्रूव देयर टैलेंट, दे आर गोइंग टू बिकम इंडिपेंडेंट डायरेक्टर, एसोसिएट लेवल पे होते हैं. एट अ पॉइंट एक्टर और इनके बीच में कुछ डिफरेंस क्रिएट होते हैं व्हाइल क्रिएटिंग अ सीन और रिलेटेड टू द परफॉर्मेंसेस.
हाँ.
तो इनको कैसे बिहेव करना चाहिए कि इनका करियर जो है वो हॉट कर रहे हैं.
आपका किससे पंगा हुआ, पहले मुझे ये बताओ. आपका किसी से पंगा हुआ?
नहीं, कोई पंगा नहीं हो. मैं सिर्फ इनके बेटरमेंट के लिए पूछना चाहता हूँ.
आप डायरेक्टर बनना चाहते हैं?
Nobody is asking for the direction.
हाँ?
direction.
Oh, अच्छा. You're in the faculty.
Yes, ma'am.
For direction. What is your name, sir?
My name is Sri, and nobody is asking for the direction side. How they can, make a relation with an actor to, boost their career and actor's career. तो मैं इसलिए पूछना चाह रहा हूँ, कोई भी इंटरेस्टेड नहीं होगा.
आप इसे डायरेक्टर्स कौन बनना चाहते हैं?
मैम मैं supposed to ask question कि मैं भूल गई थी. आई थिंक थोड़ा वेगली याद आ रहा है. आई सीन यू इंटरेक्टिंग विद द डायरेक्टर ऑन सेट. हमारा आपके सेट पर विजिट हुआ था.
अच्छा.
एंड यू वर ट्राइंग टू नो कि क्या क्या हो रहा है. यू वर टॉकिंग अबाउट चीटिंग शॉट एंड स्टफ विद डायरेक्टर.
अच्छा.
तो आपने एक स्टेटमेंट दिया था जहाँ पे डायरेक्टर का सब कुछ बोला था कि हमको यहाँ पे चीटिंग करते हैं तो समथिंग लाइक देख के तो लगता नहीं कि चीटिंग करते हैं, तो बुरा तो लोगों ने पता चला लेकिन ऑडियंस को पता नहीं चल रहा टाइम.
हाँ.
तो इट सीन डायरेक्शन में थोड़ा बहुत इंटरेस्ट लेते हो और समझते हो क्या है. सो वुड यू लाइक as every actor does, they don't need to produce or direct.
Yeah.
Like that. So we were not
I would love to. I think it's very important for an actor to even understand director's point of view. Because when you understand director's point of view, acting becomes easy. Because you're seeing the scene from his point of view, from his perspective. So I think it's very important. Like right now, if you look at Aamir Khan, he's not only acting, he's also directing. He also knows the camera angles. So for him, the way he perceives the scene becomes more important. Comes to life. Because the actor, the director, the cameraman, everybody is on the same page. So, like you guys want to be directors. There are some times कि आपने जिस तरह से scene को perceive किया है और आपके actor ने कुछ अलग perceive किया है. So it's very important to have a healthy argument, a creative argument about the scene. लेकिन अगर आपको लगता है कि आपके डायरेक्टर सही हैं एंड अकोमोडेटिंग हैं तो ऑब्वियसली सीन उस हिसाब से शूट किया जाता है. लाइक समटाइम्स आई गेट कंफ्यूज बिकॉज मुझे जो सीन दिया जाता है आई टेक इट इन अ डिफरेंट वे एंड माई डायरेक्टर टेकन इट इन ऑन अनदर लेवल. So when I meet the director, अगर मुझे मेरा idea अच्छा नहीं लगता है, so I go with it. Because sometimes the director, not sometimes, most of the times the director is more convincing because he's more experienced. But coming to experience, I think actors are also experienced. The fact that we do TV every day, we are living the character every day, तो हमको भी पता होता है character के बारे में कि नहीं यार ये ऐसे नहीं कर सकता है. So that is the time it's very important that you sit with your director and talk about the scene rather than having your ego clashes. Yeah, ये director को कुछ नहीं पता, मैं सब जानता हूँ. It shouldn't be like that because you're here to learn and you should always be open कि जो भी आपको suggestion जो दे रहा है आप openly उसको accept करो और उसको implement करो अपने scene में. I think only then it works between a director and an actor. हाँ सुनील जी, do you agree? मुझे ऐसा लगता है.
Clear with them, these people that they should maintain what kind of rapport with the actors.
हाँ, you should have a very good rapport with the actors. In fact, the actors should make sure that they get along with the directors because it's very important. It's all give and take. कभी किसी को ये नहीं सोचना चाहिए कि ये फिल्म मेरी है, ये फिल्म हमारी है, हम सबको मिलकर अच्छा काम करना है. Like there are some actors who get into competition with their co-stars, which is not good. You know, never get one up with them. अगर आपका co-star अच्छा perform कर रहा है, let him do it because eventually your entire scene is looking good. It's not only you. तो कभी सिर्फ अपना मत सोचो. Think on the whole. Think that the bigger picture is beautiful.
डिप्लोमा में शूट किया लास्ट मंथ.
हाँ.
और आई थिंक आपने बहुत सारे जो अपने बारे में स्टोरी बोली, इवन आई रिलेट टू दैट समवेयर. इंडिपेंडेंटली आई एम हियर.
Yeah.
And I remember जो आपने बोला होगी कि we were supposed to shoot with दिल्ली बैच से करते आ रहे थे दिल्ली इंस्टीट्यूट से. तो सबसे पहली बात मैंने यही कही थी कि
Yeah, it's very important. It's very important. So you're on the right track. है ना? I think you are.
so far.
No, you are absolutely. Someday I would like you to say action to me. बहुत मजा आएगा. और कुछ? No questions?
When you were trying to find Bollywood, were you honest with yourself and to people all the time, or there came a certain point where you have to lie about anything?
Lie about what?
About anything, किसी भी चीज में जो आप काम ढूंढने जाते हैं तो आपके क्वेश्चन पूछे जाते हैं.
Questions नहीं पूछते हैं. आपसे ऑडिशन कराते हैं. I don't care where you come from, what do you do, which car you drive, where do you live. I care how talented you are and what can you do in front of the camera. तो फिर झूठ बोलने का तो कोई सवाल ही नहीं आता. Yeah, if I'm applying for a job in a corporate sector and then I have to lie to get the job, then it's a different thing. But acting में ऐसा नहीं है. What do you lie about? Your age. That's it. और actors सिर्फ इसी में ही झूठ बोलते हैं हमेशा. My mother goes to the hospital and उनसे वो प्यून बोलते हैं फॉर्म भरने के लिए what's your age and my mother looks at him and says yes. तो वो ज्यादा तो ना बोलेगा, हम लोग कभी लिखेगा and my mother feels very happy. So yeah, that's how it is.
Great. I'd like to take this camp because Nana has come from in the midst of a shot. She has to go back. Okay. And I would like to thank her from on behalf of everybody sitting here. A small token of appreciation from our end.
Oh, thank you. I really enjoyed meeting you all, yeah.
Same here, ma'am.
Yes.
Same
I would like to be a Bollywood star.
How to be a Bollywood star?
No, I would like
Tell
to
me
be-
now.
I would like
Even
to
I
be
want
a
a Bollywood film.
I would like to be a Bollywood star, but
Yeah.
my Hindi is bad. So is there any way of improving it?
Of course, look at Katrina Kaif, man. She speaks such good Hindi and it's a lot of hard work. So you need to do it every day.
अब मैडम थोड़ा तो डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन देंगे.
All right, bye. Lovely meeting you.